The air snapper that we're demonstrating today is designed for number 3 rebar and 10 millimeter rebar. The same tool, same snapper, same connector. It's an all air pneumatic tool with a spring fed magazine. The loading consists of taking 2 strips of snappers, releasing the pusher, and you're good to go. Each strip of snappers contains 20 individual snappers, and as you can see, the snappers are collated and assembled with polyethylene cord to provide flexibility, durability, and a very secure way to get the product from our factory to your job site. I will demonstrate, and you will see how very little effort is required, and we can have this assembly standing in midair with no support necessary behind it, because that support is provided by the 2 structures on the tool itself.